What is up, everyone? It's Zari here, and welcome to or back to my channel. So I am coming live from the floor, and if you guys are looking at my hair, then you might be able to guess what this video is. This is going to be reverting my hair from straight to curly. So just now I was about to make a TikTok, right? I started this new hair TikTok. You guys can follow it. I'll put it right here. But it's doing pretty well. Like I just started it. It only has 2 videos, right? So I was about to make a TikTok video. I was about to do my hair and do like a transformation video. But no, my hair wanted to not cooperate. I had braided my hair and then I took the braids out, so it was like wavy, like even more wavy than that. But then I like was trying to style it and it started getting straight and then frizzy in the front. Just because I'm a mess doesn't mean I need to come to this video looking a mess. So let's go ahead and work on that. I'm done coming on this YouTube channel, unless it's gonna be for a transformation video, looking bust down, because that's not what I want. That is not what I'm trying to do. You know, I've been pretty lazy and like forgetful and just so blah. All I do every weekend, I usually leave. I go somewhere every single weekend. I have plans every single weekend, and then during the week I'm fully online, and they be giving us so many assignments, and I have to finish those assignments or else I fall behind. And then when I fall behind, I'm doing those assignments all the way until like 1 a.m. So I'm just working from morning to night, morning to night, morning to night, every single day, sometimes even on Saturdays. Like, this finals week has been so great. Like today I was pretty sad because I was behind still in the class and I was trying to hurry up and get it, and then it hit the, you know, the end time that they're going to take away our classes. They didn't take it away, so I was happy. Then I kept working on that class, and you know, I'm at a grade that I like, and I'm like, all right, well, I could just stop here. Like, I'm still gonna work on it more after this video, but you know, I still have stuff that I wanted to do for me, so I was like, let's go ahead and do that. Anyways, so I was watching, I actually cannot remember her name, but I was watching this one girl's video on straight to curly, like how to do it. And basically she just started off by getting her hair wet, and then she just used some conditioner, or like maybe like a hair mask, but I don't have a hair mask right now. I just have my Moisture Miracle Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil conditioner that you guys seen me buy on Christmas, maybe not. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm still gonna be talking with you guys because I just feel like I've been so absent like in my life. I don't even know how that is, but I just feel like I never complete everything that I want to. I never get anything that I want to get done. You know, I'm always working. My brother had okay, today's Friday. My brother had a track meet. He joined track this year. And during his track meet, I walked over on the other side of the track field because, you know, I did track. So like, you know, plus I'm a student, they're not going to be like, hey, go back to that, you know. I just walked over there and I was asking him what he was doing. So when I went to ask him, the coaches had stopped me and they were like, hey. Okay, so first off, my brother's in middle school, I'm in high school. His track meet was at my high school, so my high school coaches were there, and my high school coaches had stopped me and they were like, hey, you look like you were fast, you know, you look like you're a runner, like, do you want to join track? I was like, yes. They were like, all right, well, track had already started, so I would be a late starter. They had meets and everything already, but she was like, yeah, go turn in your slip tomorrow. Man, when I tell you I was doing work all day, I didn't even feel like going. Like, I was so drained, I did not feel like doing anything. I didn't feel like going to school, getting the slip or anything. If my hair is damaged, I'm gonna cry. So I ended up not getting the slip. The day I was supposed to get the slip, didn't get the slip. Friday, the day I was supposed to, well, it's not the day, but it's like the last day of the week to get the slip. You know, before I feel like it's too late, in a way. But today, I had finals, and I was just like, I'm not going to school. Like, finals are more important to me. You know, when I did track like in elementary school a little bit. I did it in 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and then a little bit of 9th grade before Rona happened. And so, you know, track was my thing, but at the same time I had kind of fell out of it. Like before Corona happened, I had quit track and I had started getting into drama a little bit more, going to rehearsals and stuff like that, because I really like drama and choir and music and everything. But, you know, I was in track because I was good at it. I don't know, sports just keep on not being my thing. People keep on not being my thing. Like, I keep on falling back into this little like shell that I'm trying to get out of, but at the same time I feel comfort in. Like, I just already know when I'm an adult, I'm not gonna be that hardworking, like, never have free time type of woman, and I really don't want to be that. Like, I want to be able to do everything that I'm doing and have fun and not be stressed out or anything. Oh my gosh, if my hair is damaged, I'm going to cry. I am going to cry. Like, usually it takes a minute, but literally, come on now. It's been long enough. Go ahead, revert, please. But today my mom had a surgery, and then my brother went to town. So basically it's just me. Like, you know, my mom's here, but like, she's just chilling, watching her own stuff, and I'm in my room, you know, filming a YouTube video, because I really miss making YouTube videos, and I really like it. And I keep on planning schedules and never being able to do the videos because I always have 17 plans and then schoolwork, and then I'm about to start working soon. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna do a life update video, but it's a lot. But that's how my teenage life is going right now. Tomorrow, I have a plan to go to my best friend's brother's birthday party. Brothers. So 2 brothers, 1 birthday party there. No, usually my roots are the first thing to revert. This is weird. Let me try that with my dimming brush. See if it'll put some curl into it. But yeah, my birthday's coming up, so you guys will see birthday videos. Oh, I want to get my hair done like by next week. Shopping and stuff. I know my mom's getting me gifts, but I don't really know about anybody else. And I just can't wait. Like, guys, I'm about to be 16. Wow, I forgot how short my hair is about to be because I got it trimmed. Wow, it looks so short. Let's talk about future goals. For the summer, we only have 1 more term of school left, and for the summer I'm basically going to be working, hopefully a couple vacations, saving up money for a vehicle, because I'm in like a week time going to be able to actually drive, like, without my mother or my father. But to do my work, I always turn on Netflix, because I cannot like work in the quiet. I fall asleep automatically. Like, even if I turn on Beethoven or Chopin, I like Chopin more than anybody. I'll turn on Chopin and then I'll like work. But if I'm in silence, I will go to sleep. And so I've been watching the mess out of Netflix. I finished like 2 anime series. One of them was called like High Rise Invasion or something like that. And then another one was The Promised Neverland. Finally started that. And then there was another one, I can't really remember. Parasite. They were all super good. I finished them in like 2 days because, like I said, I'd be working every day almost, dang near. So I always have something on, and I just be finishing those shows like crazy. And then I restarted Vampire Diaries, and now I'm almost on season 3, and I started watching it like what, Tuesday maybe? Today's Friday again. So that actually makes me happy though, that I've been binge watching shows again, because that's like my favorite thing to do. Finishing shows. I hate when I don't finish shows. There's so many shows I've started and never finished. Still to this day, like Pretty Little Liars, never finished. And I was on like season 7. Vampire Diaries, I was on season 7. Never finished it, started over. It seems like the only thing I can finish is like Asian dramas and anime. And then anything else, I just suck at finishing. That's besides the point. I don't really have anything else to talk about. I mean, I do, but I don't want to make this whole video just me talking. Especially when my next video that I'm posting is going to be dedicated to talking. So I just want to not do that. So I'll just speed it up from here, guys, and you guys can just watch a time lapse Okay, so this is my hair as reverted as it is as of right now. It still looks a hot mess, I know. I'm going to wash it and stuff, but as of right now, I'm just gonna let this conditioner sit in my hair for about a good 30 minutes while I'm cleaning my room. Then I'll get in the shower and see you guys after I get out of the shower. Yeah, it actually did revert. There's still gel in my hair and it's actually really dirty, but once I get in the shower, you know, it starts getting better. But it definitely does feel a lot healthier since getting my ends trimmed, and it looks a lot better. It curls a lot faster than it did and a lot better than it did, so I'm happy with that. But I'll let you guys know the final results. Well, not the final results, but results after I get out of the shower. So let me go clean this room because it's just a mess. Also, before I clean my room, I forgot to mention my hair shedding. When I straighten my hair, it tends to break off and fall out, so I had it straightened for a while. It was like 3 weeks, and this is how much hair loss I got. This should be a new record. Hair, wait, hold up, let me stop, let me pull it out the brush. Hold up, are you kidding me right now? This little ball of hair. Ooh. So last night I did get in the shower, I detangled my hair. I washed my hair with shampoo, conditioner, detangled it. It looked really good. I'll insert a picture right here. But then I got lazy and I threw a bonnet on and then I went to sleep. So I woke up, got in the shower again, and I just wet my hair a little bit, so it's kind of damp, but it definitely doesn't look as good as it did last night. So right now I'm about to style my hair, but first I'm about to quickly detangle it. So I'm going to take like 3 sections starting with the back, and I'm just going to be putting product in it because when I first wash my hair, I usually don't put product in it, and then like the next day I'll actually put product in it. So I just put some Cantu in. This is literally the only hair moisturizer I have. I don't like Cantu. I don't like the smell of it. I don't like the feel of it, but it's gonna have to do for now. Start by putting some moisturizer in my hair, kind of on the roots. And then I'm going to take this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, and I'm going to put that from the roots to the ends. So I'm going to go in with my denim brush, and I'm just going to brush it out. It kind of looks terrible, but it's detangled. I'm going to go ahead and put some of this Do Girl oil in. Mayday, mayday, we might have some hair damage right here. But I mean, what did I expect? I dyed my hair twice, straightened my hair a bunch since I got it cut. I got it cut in 2019, and then I just got a trim, and we're just gonna keep focusing on making my hair healthy. I'm gonna go off camera to style my hair. So this is the finished hairstyle. Like I said, check out my hair Instagram right here. Be true, be you, go ahead with your bad stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys like to see anything else like this from me. Bye everybody, peace and love.